Hey y'all, welcome to your last test of the year. I'm going to read it out loud to you so you can read it along with me as you complete it. So, starting from the first paragraph where it says, Read this, we live in the digital era. Think about what you've done today since you woke up. Can you think of all the things you have used that are made of paper? Paper is still an important way to record information. Just think about books, newspapers, magazines, flyers, posters, documents, so on. Why is paper still so widespread in a digital era? Well, in a world full of advanced synthetic materials and concern with the effects of pollution, paper is considered one good eco friendly choice. After all, it is obtained from natural and renewable resources, trees. One very common product made of paper, which we all use in our daily life, is paper bags. Usually, these bags are made of paper or cardboard produced from wood pulp by the craft process, which uses chemicals such as sulfites to remove lignin and treat cellulose. It is true that paper bags are obtained from trees, which are natural and renewable resources. However, high production and consumption of paper bags uses a lot of trees. In fact, trees are used faster than they can grow, which leads to deforestation. Figure one is showing some paper bags, which are one of our most common household items made from paper. I love Trader Joe's and I love their paper bags. So that's why I put it here. Question number one, which of the following is not true about the production of paper? Trees are a renewable resource. Making paper products can lead to deforestation. Paper products do not impact the environment. Number two, if we produce paper products faster than trees can grow, the number of trees and forests will increase or decrease. Continuing with this next paragraph, right here at the top. Deforestation creates a habitat loss for all of the organisms that live within the ecosystem. Habitat loss is a major factor that leads to the loss of biodiversity within ecosystems. Biodiversity is the variety of life. This includes the variety of living organisms, the genetic differences among them, and the communities and ecosystems in which they occur. Biodiversity is very important for a healthy, productive ecosystem. Competition among species ensures a balance in their population, and ecosystems with variation are more able to recover after disasters. Figure 2 shows forest cover on Earth. The light green color is forest that used to exist, and the dark green is where forests currently exist. So, according to Figure 2, the amount of global forest cover has increased or decreased over time. Number 4, increased deforestation leads to an increase or decrease in habitat loss, causing an increase or decrease in biodiversity. Next paragraph. Forests serve as habitats to many organisms, including many large trees. These large trees are important to the Earth system because they are an essential component to the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is how carbon constantly moves between living organisms and the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, carbon cycles in the carbon cycle in the form of carbon dioxide gas or CO2. Trees and plants play an important role in the carbon cycle. They capture the carbon dioxide and convert it to glucose through the process of photosynthesis. Then, as animals eat plants or other animals, they gain the carbon from those organisms. Figure 3 shows the carbon cycle. Red arrows indicate ways that CO2 is removed from the atmosphere, and yellow arrows are ways that CO2 is added to the atmosphere. Number 6, according to Figure 3, which of the following processes removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? Photosynthesis, animal respiration, or fossil fuel combustion? If deforestation increases, number 7, we can predict that the rate of photosynthesis will increase or decrease. And number 8, which of the following best describes how the carbon cycle would be impacted by deforestation? A decrease in photosynthesis will cause an increase in atmospheric CO2. A decrease in photosynthesis will cause an increase in atmospheric CO2.